Kylie Matsumoto is a set designer. Her annual salary is $45,320. Kylie's semi-monthly salary is what? All right, let's think about this. So what are we being asked to solve for? We're being asked to find semi-monthly salary based off of annual salary, okay? So the information that is given to us is her annual salary. Now, do we need any formulas for this? I mean, not really, right? We're going to just use, I think, more common sense on this one. So we don't have to gather any information. We just have to know that her annual salary is $45,320. Now, while we don't need formulas, we do need to understand definitions. So we need to know that annual is talking about yearly, and semi-monthly means twice a month. Okay? We need to know that annual means yearly and semi-monthly means twice a month. So how can we solve based on this information? Let's plan this out. So we've already highlighted and written out our important information. We're not using a formula, so we don't have to plug anything in. But think about it. So how many semi-months are in a year? How many semi-months are in a year? So if you're getting paid 2 times a month, how many times is that in a year? That's 24 times, right? So there are 12 months times 2. So her annual salary is $45,320, and we're looking for semi-monthly salary. So all we need to do is take the annual salary and divvy it up between 24 different paychecks, right? So at the end of the year, I've had all 24 paychecks. If I add them all up, that will equal my annual salary. So I take annual salary, I divide by 24. So when I take 45,320 and divide by 24, I get $1,888.33. Okay, so that was the solve part of Think, Plan, Solve. So I didn't round anything until the final answer, where I just rounded to the nearest cent. And let's make sure we have a reasonable answer, okay? So her annual salary is $45,320. So it makes sense that every 2 weeks she's paid about $1,888.33, right? If I came up with some number like 10,000 or 50,000 that seemed really high, you would know that perhaps we made a mistake somewhere, okay? So again, we thought out the problem, we planned our attack, and we got an answer of $1,888.33 for her semi-monthly salary.